Just making a quick video this morning talking about my favorite automotive cleaning product, this Extra Foamy. I've used this at every shop I've ever worked at. Every detail shop I've ever been to has used this product. I don't know, it's maybe just coincidental, you know, as far as how often this stuff is used, but it's amazing. It works really good. It was 20 years ago. I worked, when I was 18 years old, I worked at a detail shop, and that's when I first started using this. And the way it lifts dirt off of plastic things is pretty incredible. You can use it just about anywhere. I've noticed I haven't really damaged anything with it. Interiors, dashboard, door panels. It has a really nice smell, and it leaves just the right amount of sheen. It's not like using an Armor All where it's super shiny. It doesn't leave a film where it collects a bunch of, you know, dust afterwards quickly or anything like that. And yeah, it's an amazing product. So yeah, I usually don't really make, you know, videos, obviously, just, you know, advertising a product, because that's not really what I'm trying to do here. But I do really like this stuff. I always have a can around the house, even if one of the mechanics or something gets something on their clothing. Let's say you can spray this on your jeans and it'll pull a stain out. This stuff's pretty amazing, and you can see it looks nice too. It doesn't look like you have a bunch of, you know, oil all over your plastic after you use it. So yeah, just making a quick video talking about this product. I'm pretty sure they sell it on Amazon. I'll try to put a link if I can find it. We buy it through a different supplier, but if I can find a link for it, I'll put it in the description. So thanks for watching.